You know that feeling when you're managing a project and somehow everything that could go wrong does? Deadlines slip, updates get lost, and suddenly your to-do list looks more like a crime scene? The truth is, it's not always the people or the plan. Sometimes it's just the wrong tool. When your project lives across 10 different apps, it's easy for things to fall through the cracks. So to save you the trial and error, I've tested dozens of platforms and narrowed this video down to the 10 best project management tools, from AI-powered productivity hubs to beautifully simple workflows. Let's start strong with ClickUp. If there's one tool that truly does everything for work, it's this one. It's the world's first converged AI workspace that brings your tasks, docs, chats, and dashboards, basically your entire workday, together in one clean place, bringing an end to work sprawl. In fact, teams using ClickUp have reported saving over 92,400 productive hours by year 3, just by cutting out wasted effort of switching between tools. You can view your work the way your brain likes to see progress, in tables, lists, Gantt charts, boards, or calendars, all showing the same data. You can customize everything: fields, statuses, workflows, and still brainstorm, document, or chat without ever leaving ClickUp. Now, what's really changed the game for teams lately is its built-in AI called ClickUp Brain, which understands exactly how you work. It answers project questions by analyzing tasks, docs, and integrated app data. I've tried plenty of tools that claim AI, but this one genuinely feels like it's working with you, not just suggesting filler text. My go-to inside ClickUp is the project management workspace template. It comes with pre-built views, statuses, and fields like time estimate and client priority, so you can set it up once and reuse it across sprints or client projects. So if your team's tired of jumping between 5 different tools just to get to one update, ClickUp is the place where it can all finally come together. Next, we've got Asana. Asana is built around one simple idea: clarity. It's simple, clean, and built for teams that don't want to waste time learning complex software. You can create tasks, set priorities, and track progress in just a few clicks. What really stands out for most teams is how well it handles collaboration. You can comment, attach files, and keep everyone in sync. Its new AI tools even write quick status updates and summarize your projects automatically. The only catch? Some of its best reporting tools are locked behind higher priced plans. But if your team wants structure without stress, Asana keeps work flowing smoothly. Then there's Monday.com. Bright, colorful, and built for visual thinkers. It turns projects into living, breathing dashboards with customizable columns, widgets, and charts that make progress instantly clear. You can build complex workflows with automations and even switch views between Kanban, Timeline, or Gantt. Its AI feature, Monday Magic, can even create a full project board from a single prompt. While it can get a bit pricey as your team grows, it's a good option for teams that want structure, visibility, and speed. And then there's Trello, the tool that made digital Kanban boards cool. If you've ever worked with sticky notes on a wall, Trello will feel instantly similar. Each project becomes a board, every stage is a list, and every task is a card you can drag around, from to-do to doing to done. Its card-based organization comes with due dates, so nothing slips through the cracks. And you can even use a planner to map out your week. Need something more? Well, Trello offers power-ups that let you add timelines, time tracking, or even automations with Butler. It's ridiculously simple, and that's the beauty of it. Within minutes, your team can jump in and start organizing work without a single tutorial. In some cases, though, this strength does become a drawback. It's not built for managing huge, complex projects. Reporting and analytics are limited, and you'll need power-ups even for common things like Gantt charts. But what if you are handling a larger team that needs project structuring, reports, and approvals together? You can try Wrike. Wrike is what enterprise teams turn to when they need control and serious visibility. It's packed with custom workflows and detailed dashboards that help teams stay aligned even across dozens of projects. You can set up request forms for incoming work, route it through multi-stage approvals, and use Gantt charts or workload views to balance resources in real time. Speaking of risk, Wrike's new AI features can predict risk before they become issues, helping you stay ahead of bottlenecks. Now, Wrike does come with a bit of a learning curve. It's not for quick, lightweight setups. Now, if you're running a small or mid-sized business and want enterprise-level features without the enterprise-level pricing, Zoho Projects is a solid pick. It covers everything: tasks, time tracking, Gantt charts, and reporting at a fraction of the cost of most tools. It also connects seamlessly with the rest of Zoho's business suite, so your CRM, finance, and project data all stay in sync. Its AI assistant, Zia, is another pleasant surprise. It offers smart project insights and automations that you can only see in high-end tools. Of course, it's not perfect. Its limited integrations outside Zoho's ecosystem might disturb your workflow. Next on the list is Notion. part project manager, part knowledge base. You can build your own trackers and view the same data as a table, board, or calendar. It's super flexible, which is both its biggest strength and its biggest challenge. You can build exactly what your team needs, a simple task board or a full product roadmap, but you'll want someone comfortable tinkering with layouts and databases. But Notion's AI assistant can help here. It can summarize notes, generate content, or even autofill database fields for you. If your team runs on Agile, you've probably heard of the next tool, Jira. It's built for Agile, managing sprints, tracking bugs, and planning releases with deep customization options. Everything can be automated, tracked, and measured with precision. And with integrations for GitHub, Bitbucket, and Confluence, it fits right into a developer's ecosystem. Its new AI features make life easier too. It can help improve descriptions and even highlight issues. Sometimes Jira can feel too complex for non-technical users or smaller teams, but if Agile is your language, Jira speaks it fluently. Moving on to the next tool. If you love spreadsheets, you'll love Smartsheet. It takes everything familiar about Excel or Google Sheets, that satisfying grid and formula logic, and layers it with Gantt charts, dashboards, and automations. So you get structure and strategy in one place. Smartsheet's AI assistant even helps write formulas and summarize data automatically. That said, Smartsheet isn't too budget friendly. There's no free plan, and pricing can add up quickly for larger teams. And finally, Basecamp. If most project management tools feel a bit too much, Basecamp is like a deep breath. It's built for teams that care more about communication than complex project tracking. Each project acts as a shared space with message boards, to-dos, files, and chats. Everything your team needs to stay connected. I've seen small creative teams and agencies swear by it because it helps them stay connected without drowning in project setup. But if you need detailed reporting or automation, Basecamp might feel too minimal. So there you have it, the 10 best tools to manage your work. But if you ask me, one of these tools can replace them all, ClickUp. It gives you everything, your docs, notes, chat, all under one roof, powered by contextual AI that understands why and how you work. So if you also want to end your work sprawl, sign up today at ClickUp.com.